Words were exchanged, like I said.
Between who?
Me and her. She got very angry when I said, yeah. She started grabbing my hair. Okay. She has a history of putting her hands on me. Okay.
May 14th, 2025. Watch how a family vacation spirals into a police call when an argument over a forgotten bag turns physical.
Where's your other parties? Down there? Is this it or is it down there? What happened?
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Wait down. Calm down.
Let her talk.
Calm down.
We're not gonna go.
Calm down.
Step out. Please step out. Talk to me.
Calm down.
That way you can not be. You can just talk
Yeah,
to me.
my children.
Go ahead. Check on the kids.
My children are in the car. I don't want them going with them.
You don't want them going with them?
No.
Who are these
On
people?
me. The
Don't
children.
stand over here so you don't get hurt.
It's the children's father.
Okay.
We're supposed to be going on a trip. On a trip.
Where are you headed?
I don't know. At my bag.
You're not together anymore?
No.
Okay.
So we're going.
Words were exchanged. She got very angry. She started grabbing me. She started grabbing me by my hair, and then. Can I get you from Tyler?
What's your guys' name?
Yeah, Kingston.
You're Kingston?
Yeah, she's Liana.
All right, Jasper. Let me see. Let me see your arm.
See what? I don't have nothing.
That's okay. I'm just seeing. Why are you gripping your arm like that? Are you in pain?
No, because people is pitching me. I got a boo-boo, but it don't hurt.
You got a boo-boo? Where'd you get the boo-boo from?
Oh, they were pinching him and grabbing him and pulling him.
Okay, pinching him, grabbing you, and pulling you. Let me see.
All right, so what happened?
Words were exchanged, like I said.
Between who?
Me and her. She got very angry
That's
when
your
I
mom?
said, yeah. She started grabbing my hair.
Okay.
She has a history of putting her hands on me.
Okay.
But she just grabbed my hair. She wouldn't let me go. Everybody came around. Once people started coming, she took her hands off me, but then she tried to leave with my siblings.
Okay.
When she is, you know what I'm saying, when she has very high energy and high emotions,
Okay.
she wants to, get as much control of the situation as possible. So usually she does that by gathering around like
So
kids.
let's back this up a little
Hold
bit.
on.
So altercation, words were exchanged. Why? What happened before that? Back up.
I don't know. Tensions have been high the whole time we came here on the trip. You know how people be on trips.
Okay, so are y'all coming in or going out?
We're leaving here. We just got here. We're leaving.
So you just flew in from where?
Rhode Island.
Rhode Island? Okay. What's Miss Down?
Where? Here?
Yes.
Who?
Him.
Your dad?
No, not my dad.
Or is that your mom's boyfriend? Or your mom's friend? Who is that?
No, that's our brother.
Oh, your brother? Okay. Him?
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't want the kids to go with him.
Okay.
You're supposed to be going where?
My children, he said to me that they're going to surprise their mother. So he want my children to come with me. I said, I cannot let my children come with you without me being there.
Right.
So I came with them on the trip.
Okay.
While I came with them on the trip, the boy just started giving me sort of attitude.
Who is?
But my older son.
Okay. Your
And-
oldest son's giving
yes.
you attitude?
Yeah, and my older son and I have had altercation before, and he jumped on me. So the place we're going, and the way he is, I didn't want him to jump on me.
Uh-huh.
So
Is his dad here too, or just your?
his dad right there.
Okay.
And
Driving?
his dad always take his side
Okay.
of the story. So we're in the car just now. My baggage it left. It was late because we missed the flight.
Okay.
For the same behavior business, he started it this morning.
How old's your son? Oldest?
My son is 21. Yeah. So with this behavior business, I said I wasn't going. I changed my mind the season. And then my mother begged me. My mother said, go with them. But the only reason why I came here because the children.
The little ones?
Yes.
So who's in the front right seat? In the passenger seat? In the front passenger seat? Who's that?
The front passenger seat.
Was that your oldest?
Yes, he the one.
And then their dad is driving.
Yes, the father is driving.
And is that your ex-boyfriend or husband?
Yeah.
But is he the children's father?
Yeah.
Okay, so the little one too?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're going.
Who's in the argument? You and your oldest?
Yeah, it made the others. We're not in no argument, but he just getting mad and irritated with me. And when he get mad and irritated with me, he starts to be combative. But good thing he was in the front and I was in the back.
Mm-hmm.
So they. I was in the back. He did it before, and he like physically abused towards me, but he was in the front. So this time around, he couldn't do anything. So when I noticed that he hit me, you know what I did? The first thing I did was to restrain him, so he don't come to me and do that. So we both don't get in trouble. Because
Did anyone hurt the little kids?
no, the little children,
They were in the car.
They were in the car.
Anybody hurting them?
No, nobody hurting them.
Okay.
So because of that, I tried to hold him down, but I said I don't want to go, so we don't get into big
Right.
and we don't get into problem, because I had to hold him so he don't come towards me. So I was yelling for all the people to come and help me, and I held him. He was sitting in the seat, thank God. He was not in back of me the last time. He brought it all my thing last time, so I was scared.
Does he live with you?
No, he left with his father.
When was the last time he put his hands on you?
This year, the beginning
Of this
the
year?
Yeah, the beginning.
At home?
Yeah, the beginning of no, in the car. The same thing in the car. But I was in the front, and he was
Where
in
is
the
home?
in the back. We coming from Providence. I was in the back, and he was in the front. This time around, that's what blessed me.
Yeah.
So when he hit me, I told him to restrain his hair. So he couldn't move at all. But I was yelling for everybody to come and help me. They refused. The people just coming. Yeah, so I said,
When you decided not to go, were you trying to get the little kids out of the car?
yeah, but they don't want me to give in. They won't carry my children. And that's why I'll call the police so I can get my children out and they can go.
Sir, I'm scared. You mind if I talk to you? I'm trying to get all the sides, okay? I'm gonna get your father, right? Just over here, just get you away from me so I can talk to you, figure out everything going on. So I got his side of it, they're getting her side, okay? So what happened today?
So it was a little family argument, I guess, and we're going. The mom was like telling him to shut up. He's telling the mom to shut up.
Okay, so verbal going back and
Verbal
forth.
comment back, and then she's like, you know what, nobody's coming to the trip, so she's pulling
There.
he's pulling his hair, and then she's trying to pull him to get out of the car, and I'm telling her to stop. So then everybody's recording. I'm saying, stop. She said, no, they're not going. And I said, just take an Uber to the house.
Okay.
Because she could just took an Uber, and then we would have went, you know?
Okay. So where does it all come from? I'm trying to get an understanding of everything he said. That I guess she's done this before in a sense.
Yes, she gets like
Aggressive for a reason. Has she been drinking?
No.
It's just her as a personality.
It's just her as a personality. Yeah.
Okay. Did he?
He did not. So what happened? She's pulling it here. So
Okay.
he's trying to like stop and trying to intervene. Everybody recorded.
Okay. All right. Anything else you want to add?
So everything was fine. She has a bag that's coming at 8 o'clock. So he said, no, mom, we can't. We have to go. So then she, no, I need my bag. So that's kind of like where it stems from.
Understood. She's trying to stay for her bag. He's trying to go for the surprise.
We are all trying to go.
For the surprise.
Yes.
Purpose. Okay.
That's like the main thing. And then her thing is like, if I'm not going, they're not going. So she's trying to use that to hurt everybody.
Okay. All right. You can stop again. Thank you.
So if you take those little kids out of the car, what's the plan? What are you going to do?
Oh, the plan is I'm going to go wait for my suitcase, my luggage, and I will call my mother, and my mother will help me.
Go back home?
No, my mother will talk to me.
And do what? What will you end up doing with you and the kids?
I will probably see if my mother can talk to me and tell me to go there with them or come down.
Will you Uber or will you rent a car or will
No,
you?
but for now, since we're wasting a lot of time, I can just go
I know.
with them.
If you go with them, you guys are going to get in a.
No, I'm not gonna get in a with them.
Lack. Bo. Stop her. Don't stop her.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. I want us all to just resolve it. Because,
Right now, we gotta get all the details.
yeah,
We're
well,
gonna talk. It's not that. You gotta give us a moment now, man. We gotta
Stand over here. Stand over here.
especially my children don't go with them.
Understand. So stand over here.
The guy we're gonna have to take him back. He's gonna do a witness, like a statement.
Which one?
And do the checklist.
Which one?
The son.
Okay.
So
I mean, I agree.
yeah. So I was asking like,
I mean, we're all in agreement.
yeah,
The story. She's even said the story.
so
Okay. So I have the son's information. We'll get his information. I have the father's.
Yo, can you come with us real quick? Yeah.
In and out.
it's a lot, bro. It's a lot.
Yeah, we just gotta get all the information, okay?
So I told your dad the same stuff, right? This is where I need you to be cool, right?
Yeah.
You're not in trouble.
Did you get his ID and stuff?
I haven't.
Okay.
They got all the information.
Okay.
What your dad's doing right now is driving your brother and sister away from the scene, right? Your mom's gonna go to jail.
Oh.
Just be cool.
Okay.
You don't want to do this in front of the kids.
Okay.
What I need from you, bro, I need you to come back with us. You're not in trouble. I need you to do a statement of what happened.
I have an option if I don't want to do it, though,
You could
right?
do a verbal statement. But it's better for court if you do a written one. We also have to do this checklist with you where we ask you questions, just basic yes or no questions.
This is your mom, Mr. Bentham. Yeah, when you talked to me, you said that she has and even your father said the same thing.
Yeah, your dad don't want to do one.
It's her personality.
You're saying you don't want to do one. In the end, it's fine. We got
not
you on
yours.
camera. It's
really
verbal.
It's not that you're making a decision. The decision is made off of all the calls that we got.
Yeah.
And what you said and what she said.
Yeah.
The decision is made. It's not like you're choosing to get her in trouble.
Exactly.
You know what I'm trying to say? Now,
It's
what
out of
you
our hands.
have told me is this is her personality. This is how she is. Even your father said, hey, she's like this sometimes.
Yeah.
Right? Which is not cool.
Yeah, so we'd appreciate that. If you could come with us and just do this crap, it shouldn't take more than 20 to 30 minutes. I asked your dad if he'd be willing to like loop back and pick you up. He didn't say anything.
I know he's trying to get to the
I'd
part.
rather him.
Yeah, they're trying to get to the surprise.
Okay, so
It's Airbnb, but I'd rather them get to the Airbnb and I'll just come by later.
okay, beautiful. We're gonna bring him back. She's going, but we're gonna bring him back and do the witness stuff. All right. So I spoke with dad. I spoke with the son. You're the last person I need to talk to.
All right.
Now I just need to read you this. This does not mean you're in trouble, okay?
Oh, all right.
I'm just gonna read you this. So I talked to the son. I talked to the father. Now I gotta talk to you.
All right.
So what happened?
All right, so we came to the trip to Florida here. So we came now on the trip. My oldest son, he was trying to be in attitude to me. So I told him I was leaving. So I left. And my mother talked to me, and we all talked to me, and everybody calmed down. Because when people talk to us, we calm down. So we came down. So we were walking, he snatched the phone from me, like just take the phone from me, right? And then he was aggravated in the car, like aggravated. Like he was like compatible. I know when he be aggravated like that, because he did the same thing to me before, and I had to go to the hospital, all this thing. But that's a couple of months ago. I forget it, no problem. Now, he wasn't really bad to me. He can calm himself down. He can do everything. So when in the car, he did like this to me. So he was coming to me. So you know what I did? Hey. That's why you see I have nails. So I told him. I said, "Sean, stay there." He kept like that's how I scratched it. I got the nails here. I said, "Sean, stay. Hold up. Let me get help."
Can I take a picture of your nails? Go like this for me.
Yeah.
That's how he got the. Because you have nails.
Yeah, I have nails, right?
Which one is it?
I don't know which this and the nails. So I said to
Here.
him, yeah.
Go like that.
Yeah. So I said to him, "Sean, stop."
Here, keep them still.
Sorry. So I said, "Sean, stop." You know?
All right, flip them real quick.
Yeah. So I get the nails right here. You see? So I said,
Keep
"Sean,
them still. Keep them
sorry."
still.
They said they cannot take me to get my baggage, and they said to me that the baggage they will have to go 45 minutes and then come back. So I said, "No, let me just take the children with me."
I tried it.
And then they don't want me to take the children with me. So that's how come I just calm him down, so he can. I just calm him down so the whole situation can be calm.
Yeah. Okay, so listen.
Yeah.
What I need you to do is I need you to turn around real quick and just be cool. Put your hands behind your back. We appreciate you being cool.
Okay. Can I get my bag, please?
We'll take it.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll get everything for you.
All right, let's find you a place to sit.
I can't swallow.
You don't need to swallow,
I'm
honey.
tasting.
Okay,
I'm
we're
tasting.
gonna have you sit down. Face me, and we'll have paramedics check you out. Sit down and face me. You can keep your legs out. Kick off your shoes.
Oh, it's too hot here.
No, they're gonna put on the air. Can someone put on the air? Kick off your shoes.
Okay.
Go ahead and take it off. And then just open that partition and throw the air up on high.
Oh, I can't breathe.
Okay. They're calling paramedics for you.
Did she have a physical boarding pass?
Did you have a boarding pass?
My boarding pass is in my bag.
In your bag? Is it a piece of paper or on your phone?
It was a paper.
Piece of paper?
But I used it up.
Okay. All right. Try not to overexert yourself. Okay. They turned on the air.
Hello, ma'am. Hi.
So once the handcuffs went on, she said she couldn't swallow, thought she was having, and has an excruciating pain in her head. None of which was mentioned prior to that. So we said we should probably. I thought maybe she was having a panic attack, but
we're gonna check out.
But certainly the blood pressure went up quite a bit when the handcuffs went on. So.
Okay. Do you have any medical problems?
Yeah.
Or at least it seemed to.
What kind of medical problems?
Yes, I
Her 12 leads, her heart rate's a little bit high. That could just be anxiety. Her 12 lead didn't show heart. She said she doesn't want to go to the hospital, so that's up to you guys. If you guys want to let her go, thank you.
No, she said she doesn't want to.
No, she said she wants to go.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
Okay, so someone's gonna. That's up to your supervisor, but I imagine we're gonna go and sit on her and then have them release her and then take her.
I got a laptop. I've taken with me.
Thank you. Who's that?
I see.
The skin color. Okay. Yeah, I can.
All right.
And the blood.
It's 20. Two kids, but
Thank you, ma'am.
Later, officers arrested the mother. She was charged with domestic battery, resisting an officer, disorderly conduct. For more cases like this, hit subscribe.